Class 10. Good morning. आज म तिमीहरूलाई 2019 अनि 18 मा आएका प्रश्न साथै उत्तर एक्सप्लेन गर्दै दिन गइरहेको छु। यहीँबाट तिमीहरूले मैले भने जस्तै आन्सर गर्नुपर्छ भन्ने पनि छैन, तर यहाँबाट आइडिया लिएर तिमीहरूले किताब हेरेर आफैले पनि यो लेख्न सक्छौ। तसर्थ बुझ्न भने जरुरी छ। र मैले फिजिकल जियोग्राफी पढाइसकेको छु, प्राय म अन्ततिर नै आइपुगेको छु। त्यस कारणले गर्दा मैले फिजिकल जियोग्राफीबाट यो प्रश्नहरू लिएको छु, तर प्रिभियस इयर्समा आएका प्रश्नहरू। त प्रथम प्रश्न छ, गिभ अ ब्रिफ अकाउन्ट अफ अलुभियल एन्ड ब्ल्याक सोइल अफ इन्डिया 2019 मा आएको। ओके, सो वाट इज अलुभियल सोइल? अलुभियल सोइल, these soil occupy about 46% of the total land area of the country. The soil is composed of sand, silt, pebbles, and the sediments brought down by rivers. The older alluvial or the bhangar soil is mainly composed of clay and contain bhangar, lime, nodules, pebbles, and the gravels. The newer alluvial is called khadar, is mostly sandy. So what are the characteristics of this soil? The color, this soil are mostly light, pale brown to dark in color depending on their time of deposition. Texture, their texture ranges from coarse grain to fine grains. Minerals present, rich in potash and humus but deficient in phosphorus and nitrogen. Crops associated, alluvial soil is very productive. Wheat, sugarcane, oilseed, pulses, rice, jute, etc. are grown on this soil. The regional distribution, the soil is found in vast riverine tracts of Satluj, Ganga and Brahmaputra, in the northern plains, in the delta of Godavari, Krishna and Kaveri river. The states of Punjab, Haryana, Uttar Pradesh, Bihar, West Bengal, Assam, Odisha and other coastal states have alluvial soil. Okay. Then the next is black soil. This soil covers 16.6% of the total land area of India and is also called regur and black cotton soil. Composition, the soil is composed of basic lava spread during volcanic activity in the Deccan Plateau region. So color, the soil varies in color from black to chestnut brown, medium black, or even mixture of red and black. Texture, they are fine grains with more than 60% of clay. And the minerals present, black soil contain lima, alumina, iron, potash, magnesium, carbonate and the calcium. They are deficient in phosphorus and nitrogen. So crop associated with this, because of their high fertility and the moisture relative capacity, the crops like cotton, wheat, rice, sugarcane, groundnut, tobacco, jawar, fruits and the vegetables are grown on it. Regional distribution, they are common in the Deccan Traap region covering Maharashtra, parts of Gujarat, Madhya Pradesh, Andhra Pradesh and Karnataka. Okay. सो यहाँसम्म भयो तिमीहरूको एलुभियल सोइल एन्ड ब्ल्याक सोइल। त्यसको कलर कस्तो हुन्छ, त्यो कतिको खस्रो हुन्छ, कतिको नरम हुन्छ, के मिसिएको हुन्छ, त्यसमा के मिनरल्स हुन्छ, भारतको कुन क्षेत्रमा यो पाइन्छ, अनि त्यसमा के गर्न सकिन्छ, रोप्न सकिन्छ, उब्जनी गर्न सकिन्छ। ओके, सो द नेक्स्ट क्वेसन तिम्रो आएको थियो 2019 मा, state the favorable physical condition required for the cultivation of wheat. wheat उमार्नको निम्ति कस्तो खालको फिजिकल कन्डिसन चाहिन्छ? ओके, भौतिक तत्त्वहरू के चाहिन्छ त? क्लाइमेट, wheat is a crop of temperate zone which requires a moderate cool climate with moderate rain. It is a rabi crop and can be successfully cultivated in the temperate climatic condition of India. The optimum temperature for wheat during its growing period is around 15.5 degrees Celsius. The weather should be warm and moist during the early stage of growth and sunny and dry in the later stage and during the harvest. Frost-free period of 100 days is usually required. Foggy weather, a long, gloomy or foggy weather is harmful to the plant growth. Soil, the best soil for wheat is either light clay or heavy loam. Actually, the world's best wheat comes from the Srenozem soil in the Black Earth region of Ukraine. Land slightly rolling plain are suitable for wheat cultivation. Plain should be well drained so that water cannot stand there. Okay, so यहाँसम्म भयो तिमीहरूको यो प्रश्नको उत्तर. अनि त्यसपछि अर्को प्रश्न आएको छ तिमीहरूको 2019 मा डिस्कस द इम्पोर्टेन्स अफ ट्रान्सपोर्टेसन सिस्टम इन इन्डिया. भारतवर्षको यातायात पद्धति कस्तो खालको छ त्यसमाथि के गर्नु भनेको छ मन्तव्य दिनु पर्यो. डिस्कसन. Importance of transportation system. A vast country requires a good network of transport system to connect one end to another. Traveling even to remote areas is made possible with developed transport system. Transport system helps to raise the production of raw materials, fuels, machineries, etc. by providing market to them. A good market demands large-scale production. Well-developed transport system helps in establishing industries in any areas. Raw materials, fuel, or machineries can be sent at the right time through well-knit transport network, and this helps to run an industry smoothly. A developed transport system facilitates setting off of industries even in backward areas. Okay, the mobility of labor force increase if there is a good network of transport. Thus, they helps to solve the problem of unemployment also. By helping to establish industries, transport system affects the economic development of the country. Good transport system helps to protect the people from difficulties of war and natural calamities, as transfer of military equipment, soldiers, or shifting of peoples evacuated from any areas necessitate well-integrated transport network. Besides all this, the transport system helps to establish relationship among people of different parts of a country and thus strengthen unity and brotherhood among the people. So, transportationले अथवा यातायातले मानिसमा कस्तो खालको भावना ल्याउँछ अनि विकसित देशको निम्ति ट्रान्सपोर्टेसनको आवश्यकता कति छ र त्यहाँ इम्प्लोयमेन्ट जेनेरेट हुन्छ, ब्याकवर्ड एरियासँग जोडिन्छ इत्यादि फाइदाहरू तिमीहरूलाई मैले यहाँ बताएँ. अब लास्ट क्वेसन यो भिडियोको गिभ अ ब्रिफ अकाउन्ट अफ द फिजियोग्राफी अफ वेस्टर्न हिमालयज अफ इन्डिया. यो माध्यमिक 2018 मा आएको छ. यी प्रश्नहरू लङ क्वेसनहरू हुन्. ओके, लास्ट इयर मैले सर्ट क्वेसन मात्रै दिएको हुँदा अब्जेक्टिभ क्वेसनको आन्सर मात्रै दिँदा नानीहरूले खालि त्यो मात्रै याद गरे, लङ क्वेसनको आन्सर गरेको छैनन्. तर 100% मार्क्स पाउनको निम्ति लङ क्वेसन जान्नु जरुरी छ, क्वेसन आन्सर. त्यसकारण योपालि मैले ज्यादा इम्फेसिस केमा दिँदैछु, लङ क्वेसनमा. ओके, सो द आन्सर इज Physiography of Western Himalayas. According to Sir S. Barrett of the Himalayan area, generally regarded as consisting of following four main sections, which are separated from one another by the gorge of river which passes through them. Number 1, Punjab Himalayas. This section between the Indus and the Satluj, known as Punjab Himalayas. It is also called Jammu Kashmir and the Himachal Pradesh Himalaya because most of this section is located in these two states. This section is 560 km long. The important ranges of this section are the Ladakh, Punjab, the Dhauladhar and the Jaskar. The Zojila Pass is at an altitude of 3,444 meters above the sea level. Number 2, Kumaon Himalayas. This section runs from a distance of 320 kilometers between the Satluj and the Kali rivers. This is higher than the Punjab Himalayas. Greater rivers like Ganga and the Yamuna have their sources in the Kumaon Himalayas. Okay. Then the Upper Himalayas. This is situated between the Kali and the Tista river and is 800 km long. This is the highest part of the Himalayas, where lofty peaks like the Mount Everest, Kanchenjunga, Dhaulagiri, Annapurna, the Makalu, etc. are located. The flat Kathmandu Valley is also situated in Nepal Himalayas. Okay. Then the last one is Assam Himalayas. It extends for a distance of 720 kilometers between the Tista and the Dihang. अथवा साङ्पो ब्रह्मपुत्र. ब्रह्मपुत्रको तीनवटा नाम छ, दिहाङ, साम्पो, ब्रह्मपुत्र इत्यादि. त यहाँसम्म भयो तिमीहरूको 4वटा प्रश्नको उत्तर. यो खातामा राम्ररी लेख्छौ अनि यसलाई के गर्छौ, याद गर्छौ.